Good morning. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Well, I was expecting a little bit more from CPI, and but the market's barely moving. Like it went up a little bit and then kind of it's losing it right now. So I was expecting honestly a gap up or a gap down over and under important levels, but the market is pretty much flat. So that is not too good. Because we've been in a downtrend the past few days, so with the market flat with those data, it means we're probably just gonna keep going lower or just stay where we are right now. So, my main focus today, my focus is the 372 level on QQQ. So, tech it's been weaker than the rest of the market, so QQ is weaker than SPY. The 372 level, it's been a very tough level. It was resistance yesterday, a little bit of resistance and support on Tuesday, support on Monday, and also last week. We lost it yesterday, so pretty much I'm looking for a break and retest of 372. And it's right now it's rejecting it on pre-market. So 372 on QQQ. SPY, it's gonna be around 448 and yesterday high. For stocks, I would like to see a retest of Meta 310, and it's kind of rejecting right now pre-market also. So the 310, it will be a break and retest of previous resistance, previous support now acting as resistance. Yesterday I didn't take that 310 break, but you guys saw it here on the stream. So yeah, the 310 level on Meta, it's a big watch. And what else? What else? So I have Google, I have Coin, Amazon, and CAD, but those move. So those plays where like CAD, Amazon, and Google and Coin, those were like analysis for if the market looked bullish. But so far, I'm not really convinced the market's gonna move higher. I don't know what it's gonna happen, but it doesn't look like it's gonna move higher. It looks like it's like losing it. Or maybe it doesn't do anything, but I think it should move a lot after the data we got today pre-market. So 372 level, key level on QQQ, 310 on Meta. I also have like CAD for the breakout of the flag, but right now it's flat. Yesterday barely moved, so not doing much. One thing that I'm kind of looking, it's like Apple is trying kind of like flagging here. So if Apple goes to 182, I'll be looking for a rejection there. But yeah, and we want to see coin keep holding this green area of support. But yeah, 372 on QQQ, 310 on Meta. Meta is already rejecting near 310. Let's see if we can have like a little like bounce here and then rejection. Oh, SMCI. Let's see. Okay, it's bouncing hard, but I don't think I'm gonna trade this one. So yeah, I'm trying like today and tomorrow. If I trade tomorrow, I'm trying to keep it like simple with the SPY and QQQ. I think with this choppiness that we have given like the past few days, I think it's easier. I think it's easier to just like concentrate on SPY and QQQ, and that's it. mostly like with the downtrend that we have, QQQ, it's been like very easy to follow and very easy to trade out of key levels. So yeah, that's it. 372 on QQQ. It's like the one that I'm looking. What? Okay, so yesterday SPY was like, it looks like, if we look the daily chart, it looks very like straight down, but if we look intraday, it was so choppy. But I think lately mornings it's been like kind of difficult to trade, but afternoon it's been like very easy. Like I got two very good plays to yesterday, like around 12. This bounce here, I play calls here till 4:48, and then this rejection, this very clear head and shoulder out of the 4:48 level. So I play calls here and puts here. So let's see. Okay, so SPY is already, I'm sorry, QQ is already losing it. Okay, so we're already like bleeding here. I'm gonna be patient here with Meta and QQQ because I want to have, like, if we enter here, we can like bounce back to 310, 309. Hey guys, welcome. See, that's a weird move here. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen with 310 here, 372 here on QQQ. What Amazon here? Because Amazon, I post the flag on Discord, but we need QQQ to be strong today so we can play the flag breakout. Okay, we want to see that on coin. Ooh, that's an ugly rejection there on QQQ. Kind of like that rejection on Meta. kind of getting ready. Like I put it on my chart on my broker. Puts 0 DT on QQQ. Still not in. I'm just kind of like getting ready. Okay, so I like what coin is doing. Okay. Yeah, I'm in coin still. And cat. Both are holding very good. We'll see. I also added for next week coin. I think if you I think it's better to get QQQ for tomorrow or SPY for tomorrow. Better than for today. Better than 0 DTE. So your premium's gonna hold better. Most of the time, honestly, I always trade for SPY and QQ for the next day. It just like lately I've been because I used to think like maybe I can swing trade for next day. That's why I always took for next day. But right now I'm not really swing trading much. So I'm getting the past few days when I got 0 DT on SPY and QQ early in the morning, those have been playing like paying very good. Okay, I like that move in coin. Coin is moving very good for us. Same with CAD. So because I have coin and CAD, I'm not like going crazy over taking any trades right now. I want to be very patient. So far, so QQQ is at the level, so we want to see QQQ breaking and holding yesterday high and also Monday high. I'm sorry, Tuesday high. But so far, SPY looks like you want to go to, what's this? Tuesday high. I like what Amazon is doing here. But again, we need QQQ to break 372, a little bit above 372 and hold it. Okay, so we are at that key level on QQQ, but we need confirmation for a rejection or if we're gonna hold it as support. I'll watch D-Dog in a little bit. Okay, so QQQ is rejecting there. Okay, coin. I like how coin's moving. $140. It's a key level here on Amazon. So we want to see it break 140 and hold it as support. It's also near pre-market high. Okay, that's a clear rejection of QQQ here. Okay. Okay, so Meta is at 310. Amazon is it's at pre-market high. QQQ breaking the 372 level. If QQQ breaks out here, watch also Google. It's holding very good here. It's on the flag. You guys know what I'm expecting of Google if QQQ is bullish. I kind of feel like getting puts here on QQQ. It's just like SPY looks bullish. Okay, I'm gonna get a 371 put on 0DT on QQQ. I like that rejection there. Let's see. So we have all these level of resistance. Meta is rejecting that 310 and QQQ is rejecting 372. So if you want to play puts, you can trade either or. Okay, I like how QQQ is rejecting there. Okay. 23% up so far on those QQQ puts. 25. Ooh, I like that. this, like, right now, I think it's a little bit weird because SPY is looking bullish, is holding above yesterday's high, but QQQ is having a lot of trouble here at resistance. So I think the market can go either way. We'll see. Yeah, SPY is definitely looking bullish. I think it's gonna go to Tuesday high. And then right there it has a lot of resistance, which is around 450.80, around there. The coin's looking very good. Also CAD is looking very good. If Amazon breaks 140 and use it as support, I'm gonna get calls here. And let's see. If QQ holds this area as support, I'm gonna get out of my puts because that will be bullish. Remember to like the video. Like. Okay, that bounce on coin, looking beautiful. Yeah, I want to see how this candle is gonna close here on QQQ. Yeah, HD was so good, but I miss it. I was between CAD and HD. I decided to get a CAD, and HD just like exploded. Okay, that's pretty bullish on the Q, but I'm being a little bit patient because I want to see how SPY is gonna react at this level here. And I have coin and CAD calls, and both are moving very good. But so far, we're looking very bullish. Oh, that's so nice of Vince. Welcome, Scott. Um, yeah, so SPY is having trouble here. Let's see. If SPY breaks this level here, that's definitely a break of the downtrend, and I'll be expecting a lot more upside for the rest of the week. CAD, it's looking very good also. I'm gonna put CAD here because Amazon it's having a lot of trouble around 140, 340, I don't know. Around 140, yeah. But yeah, CAD is looking very, very good. We want to see CAD breaking 288.60. We want to see it breaking yesterday high also. First yesterday high, use it as support, and then this 288.70 around there. Okay, that's pretty bullish on QQQ and getting out of my puts. Well, I'm gonna be a little bit patient here because SPY is rejecting. Decisions. Look, Meta is above 310 and it's using it as support. Guys, watch Google. Google can really go to 134 if the Q keeps going higher. Coin looking fantastic. Yeah, I'm out of my QQQ puts. Even though it could reject here because SPY's it's at a key level of resistance, but we'll see. I'm up a lot thanks to coin. So for me, the level was yesterday on QQQ was yesterday high and Tuesday high, which is around there right now. And for SPY, it's Tuesday high and Monday high. So CAD is having troubles at yesterday high. Yeah, 84, 85 on coin. It's an important level. Yeah, so coin depends if QQQ is gonna keep going higher or not. Nice, 17% on coin, nice. That's awesome. Google and Amazon are looking very good right now. But again, we need SPY to break this level here. Okay, so Amazon is near 140. Mm-mm. Yeah, no problem, Dave. No problem. Okay, so SPY. We want to see a break in this level here. Use it as support. We have Amazon rejecting 140. Google, it's kind of consolidating, but not doing much. Okay, I'm getting Amazon 140 weekly calls. Google looks like it wants to break out of the flag. I have 134 weekly on Google. I got them yesterday. I liked how yesterday closed holding previous resistance, which was 130, and hold it as support. So I got yesterday the 134 on Google. We're looking bullish. Looking bullish. Okay, so our next resistance on the Q is around 373.90, but we can move a lot today because we just broke the daily downtrend here. This downtrend here. So far, the market looks pretty bullish. We just gap and go. Ooh, we have a gap. So QQQ has a gap till 374.05 around there. So we have this gap here. Okay. Anybody in Google or Amazon? I think Google, if the market keeps going higher, like I said, pre-market here, I think Google can go to 134. 134. That's the level. Like it's the flag top. And coin's looking amazing. I want to see coin breaking the downtrend. If coin can break yesterday high and use it as support, then it could break this daily big downtrend. Yeah, Google definitely wants to go to 134. Okay, we just filled the gap on QQQ. We're going higher, it looks like. Let's see. We want to see Amazon holding here as support, 140 as support. Google repin. Watch Meta here. If also Meta could break this downtrend, it can go back to 316. Amazon is rejecting 140 again. It's having a lot of trouble here. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so SPY definitely going. The market is very bullish right now. Google's kind of trying to reject yesterday high. Let's see if we can break it and use it as support. Okay. There's an ugly rejection on Google right there. Okay, that's what I want to see on Amazon. Our next resistance 141, a little bit below 141, but we need the Q keep going. Let's take this out. The pretty clean breakout on Amazon. Mm-mm. We gotta watch here the Q because it's rejecting the gap. We wanna see it holding it as support, that gap. No, we don't wanna see a rejection here. But it's very possible that let's see where it is. That SPY can do something like this, break, retest of this level here, and then keep going higher. That's what I want to see on SPY. CAD is having a lot of trouble around yesterday high. Okay, that 374 hold on QQQ, it's very bullish. That was beautiful. And it's rejecting now. Coin, it's at near yesterday high, which it's yesterday high. We have resistance here, yesterday high and Tuesday high also. So we want to see coin breaking 89 and holding it as support. Okay, we are rejecting the gap here. We want to see SPY holding this line here. Okay, we're holding very good here. CAD is looking like it's just flagging here, consolidating near resistance, which I like. I like to see that. It's just flagging or consolidating here. We want to see it breaking yesterday high or hold it as support and then move above 288. Coin and Google both, well, Coin, Google, and Amazon are rejecting yesterday high. Let's see. Ooh, that's an ugly rejection. I'm expecting this on SPY. Wanna see it doing this. We wanna see like 90 MA, my pink line on the 5 minute chart, like catching up with like this retracement here and use it as support. Nice little drop here, but we're holding, so that's bullish. Amazon, it's holding 140 as support so far, so that's very bullish. But we gotta be patient here. So far, we're looking very good. It looks like just a little dip here, maybe consolidation, but we're holding very good. And we got to remember that the market doesn't go up all the way up, just straight line. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. But so far, we're making higher lows and higher highs. But if SPY loses this support here and uses it as resistance, that would be like a very bearish move and a perfect entry for puts. But I don't see it happening right now. APH. I actually took profits on APH last week. I didn't like how the market was looking, even though APH was holding, but I didn't like how the market was moving. So decided to look the little bit of profit that I had. It was like 15% up or 20, I don't remember, but it was up. But yeah, APH was a good one. Golazo. Okay. So far, we look like a little consolidation above support. I'm getting out of CAD. I don't like how CAD is moving. It's looking very weak. Hmm. Pretty slow move. Like the past few days, morning's been like not too good. Pretty boring. Like I said before, we want to see a SPY holding 9 EMA here. We want to see a SPY holding this line. Otherwise, that's a fake out. And we're going to go back down to 448 or 450, the VWAP. If I have confirmation here that SPY is gonna use this level as support, I'm gonna get on calls, on SPY calls. Thank you. Thank you, Donnie. Yeah, pretty slow. Okay, we wanna see a SPY doing that. We wanna see a SPY holding there. The daily and the 5 minutes. But yeah, sometimes I use the 15, like I have the 15 here on QQQ and I have the daily on SPY, but I use daily, always use the 5 minutes, and then on the left I can use the daily or the 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So it depends. We want to see a SPY bouncing here. But the Q is looking a little bearish. We want to see the 50-minute candle changing here. I like how SPY is looking, and also Amazon here, and coin is holding VWAP and INEMA. So far everything is still looking very bullish. You want to see a SPY, this 5-minute candle of SPY closing like this or green with the wick at the bottom. Yeah, that's bullish. Yeah, we want to see that. We want to see a SPY holding there. We want to see, like, Amazon, it depends how QQQ and SPY are gonna hold here. Everything is gonna depend on that. So we need SPY to keep holding 90 MA and same for QQQ, but I don't like how the 15-minute candle is looking because that's a clear rejection of 374. But I trade, yeah, pretty much every day. Sometimes I skip Fridays. It depends how the market is gonna close today. I'm gonna skip tomorrow or not because I don't think Fridays are good for trading. Most of the time, Fridays are like very choppy. Yeah, I think this retest is looking good on SPY, not so much on the Q. The Q is definitely looking weaker. Google is looking weak. Man, I told him very good, the 311 level. But I don't like how the Q is looking. My strategy depends how the market is moving. Like right now, the most of the time I do swing trades, but right now the market is for day trades, not for swing trades. So everything depends how the market move. I do whatever the market is giving me. Yeah, I don't like that move. That's a clear rejection of resistance. The Q is looking ugly with that 374 rejection, so it's doing a gap close reversal there. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. We want to see it closing above the 90 MA. I kind of feel like taking boots on QQQ, honestly. But SPY and Amazon are holding very good so far. What's ATR? Okay, okay, so I think we either gonna dump hard or like break out hard. Like I think the market's like getting ready to move, like to make a big move. Hopefully it's a move up. So our Amazon calls are gonna move in coin. I like that it move on SPY. Mm, mm, mm. Pretty slow move here. So far, I like that SPY. It's holding here, but I don't know. Tag is looking weak. Yeah, on the stream, I do say when I'm enter, what I'm looking at, but though I don't like when people wait for me to enter or to exit. Like I told you what's my plan pre-market on my Discord. You have the levels, you have what's my plan pre-market, and I'm pretty much talking like the entire stream what I'm looking. So you should know when to enter or exit without me saying. I think it's very important that you guys learn how to trade without me or anybody. Okay, so yeah, scalping it's I don't think it's tough. It just I don't really love it. I don't think scalping is tough, but I feel way more like I like more doing swing trades. But we need to like I think it's more like I think there's a few things that we need to really understand when trading. First of all, what's the style that works for you? Second, I will say how the market is moving. Like the past 3 months, the market was like moving just up all the time, so it was extremely easy to make money swing trading. Now the market is choppy, so we need to like adapt and see what's the best strategy to trade right now. So I think right now it's at least this week it's for day trade or scalping. Even though the market, like the bigger picture on the market, is still bullish because um SPY is still on a weekly, like look, this is still on a weekly uptrend. And if this weekly candle closes like this or a little bit higher, that's extremely bullish also. But I think it's normal to have, like, it's healthy to have some like red days and weeks. Like we cannot go just high all the time. So far, SPY is moving according to the plan, like retesting previous resistance, now acting as support. We want to see it keep holding here. Okay, that's pretty bearish. Are we gonna hold here? Is it gonna reject here? It depends days or weeks. It depends how the market is moving. It depends how it looks on the daily. It depends if the stocks really move fast or is a slow mover. It depends on a lot of things. Like if you really want to learn how I trade, just get a one-on-one with me. I teach everything on my mentoring program. Ooh, that's an ugly flush. Okay, I'm getting out of all my calls. That's an ugly, ugly flush. I'm still holding Amazon. I want to see if SPY can hold there, VWAP, and also the Q, even though I don't love it. But Amazon is still holding there. Also, the VWAP. Google is looking like a head and shoulder. I'm still up 5% on Amazon. I want to see if it's gonna, like the Q and the SPY is gonna hold VWAP. No, I'm getting out. So I had 2% off on Amazon. Again, pretty choppy day. Like the past few days, it's been like horrible. Yeah, Amazon looks like a head and shoulder. Um, CAD is looking very bearish. Not in CAD, but it's looking very bearish. Meta, it's back under 310. Okay, I got Meta puts 305 puts. I like the that Meta, like how it's looking the daily on their 310. We could bounce here because QQQ is at 372, which used to be resistant, maybe act as support right now, and that's pre-market high also. We maybe bounce here, but I don't know. No, I don't try futures. We wanna see, like, I wanna see Meta keep holding VWAP as resistance. Yeah. Ooh, that's an ugly, ugly move. Okay, so the 15 minutes on the on Q was telling us that it was looking bearish. It was rejecting that gap there. The 15-minute candle was looking definitely bearish. I'm gonna give it Meta a little bit of like a lot of room here to today's high for my stop loss. This is why, like this market here, we need to lock profits. Like if you guys didn't lock profits on coin or CAD, you must be red, like big red, because the market is extremely choppy. Okay. I really like how the meta candle is looking right now. It's looking like an ugly rejection. I don't need coin here. Ugly rejection of the downtrend, the daily downtrend. Mm-mm. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's ugly. Look at these daily candles. That's extremely bearish. Are we wicking to 372 and hold 372 as support? QQ looking wiki wiki. Up 60, not down 30. What? What's 60 and what's 30? Okay, so this is the last snack that I have for the week. The last one is also Bearbill brand. It looks very good. It's the caramel choco flavor. Mm, so macros are 190 calories, 8 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, only 2 grams of sugar, and 16 grams of protein. This is how it looks. Let's see. It should be good because everything with caramel is good. Mm, it's very, very good. Mhm. I think so far this one is my favorite. Yeah, only 16 protein, but it's amazing. Mm. You can definitely, it's like very soft inside. You can definitely taste the caramel. It's very good. and SPY is back to the downtrend. We keep rejecting every single day that we try to break this downtrend here, keeps rejecting it. So for me, that's extremely bearish. This daily candle is so ugly, and the same for QQQ looks very, very weak. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so the Q is trying to hold morning low. So if today we close the day like this with a weird, no, not like this. Like if we close, if QQ closes the day here at 374, that's pretty bullish, and I'll be looking to trade tomorrow. If QQQ closes here at 3, like near yesterday's low, that's a downtrend continuation. Q, yeah, definitely trying to hold here, but the daily so far is ugly. We could bounce here. Like this is a 372 is a level of support. if QQQ like holds here the 372 level, this level, and use it as support, and we see consolidation here, that's a clear break, ugly retest, and then we're gonna keep going higher. Thank you, Dave. Yeah, I'm definitely bored. Like I'm extremely bored. Like I find it like very difficult to do streams when the market is moving like this. Like because it's all about waiting. We need to wait and see. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. I want to see that reaction on the VWAP, 9 EMA for more downside continuation. I think if QQQ loses 371, 3 like yeah, 371, 370, it's gonna go back down to 3 at least 368 again to yesterday's low. Okay. So the thing is like I don't check the ES or NQ, I don't check future, so yeah, I only watch SPY and QQQ because I don't trade futures. Mm. What a chop fest. Like the market in the morning was looking extremely bullish. Now we're looking very bearish. Come on, Meta. Just die already. I got like 367 QQQ puts Zero DT, it's a very high risk. It's just like, I think if we lose this year, I do not recommend it, but I think if we lose this level, the 370 or 371, I think we're gonna go back down to yesterday's low because the daily charts looking like these daily candles looking so ugly. So I got a little bit crazy and I got the 367 puts. Again, I do not recommend it. Okay, so those puts are up 44%. So key level here, QQQ. It looks like a head and shoulder, but it's key level here for QQQ 371. It definitely looks like a head and shoulder. And meta like these downtrend rejection very clean. Holy shit. Those boots are up a lot. Yeah, but you were saying when QQ was here, I don't see a head and shoulder with QQ here. Here, yeah, because you had the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder here, but not here. Ooh, 448 is the level to watch now on SPY. Amazon also looking like a head and shoulder. Come on, Q, just lose already the 371 level. I want you at 367. Back at 367. So it had a little bit of support here at 371, and then pre-market has a support at 370. This is very bearish. Finally, a good move here. So what this is telling us is the trend now is down, definitely. And what we need to see is every time the market goes up, look for resistance to play puts. That's it. Before it was look for support and play calls. Now it's look for resistance and play puts. What was that? That candle was weird. Yeah, no problem. Even though lately it's been like difficult to trade, honestly. I kind of wanted to like skip a few days. I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah, I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. We wanna see Meta keep rejecting VWAP and INEMA. Gonna take out these. Yeah, puts. My favorite, um, I will say trend to play. It's the downtrend because I love a bear market. I find it like extremely easy when the market goes down. With obviously with a clear trend because with the market going down right now, but with a choppy morning, it's very difficult. But when you have like a clear downtrend, I love playing puts. Yeah, stairs up, elevator down, definitely. Okay. So let's see if now QQQ is gonna hold here this morning low, but it still like looks like a head and shoulder here. We have left, head, and right shoulder. And meta it's looking pretty much the same. We can do like a little more here. Maybe we do like a longer shoulder here. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe like that. And head and shoulders on a downtrend play out very good. I played yesterday with beautiful head and shoulder on Spy in the afternoon, but it was a 5 minutes. Yeah, this one here. Where is it? Was this one? Yeah, and paid big. I got in around here when it broke this 448 level and then retested, and I got in here. That was beautiful. CPI already came out pre-market at 8:30 in the morning Eastern time. We're holding support here. We're holding so far pre-market low, but I'm sorry, morning low. But also, Q has a gap here to fill. The gap that it made from this morning, that's a gap that it needs to get filled. The market is trying it. It's still green on the day. Also, guys, if you've been losing money the past like 2 weeks, or you're having like a lot of troubles trading, that's normal. I think we all have like had like a difficult time trading uh the past 2 weeks. Yeah, it's the market, it's like it's been difficult. I'm like my account is safe because I made so much money the past 3 months that I'm not really red, but this month, like so far, the past like 10 days, 15 days, it's been like up, down, up, down. It's more down than up, but the past like May, yeah, May, June, and July were so good that I'm still up a lot this year. I had a bunch of like 300% gainers, 1,600. Having a 100% gain on the last month, like June and July, was extremely easy. Now, no. we have like something like this also. Something like this also. Yeah, definitely, Tavares. Like, it's very important to know that when we need to change our style or trading strategy. Very important. We need to adapt to the market always. And yeah, at the beginning, it's gonna be difficult. We're gonna have losers. Like trading, we're always gonna have some days that are, or weeks, or maybe months that are very bad. But the thing is to end the day, the year green. Also, we need to downside when the market is doing like this or when we don't feel like we're comfortable trading how the market is moving. We need to downside. Or like we need to go down in our position until we see like a clear uh trend. Okay, so QQQ keeps making lower high, which is bearish, and that's what we want to see. Um, we want to see losing it this morning low, and the head and shoulder looks like it's gonna play it out. Ooh, okay, so let's go. Die already, Q. Die already. Yeah, it looks like a bear flag, definitely. Meta. You can. So it was something like this. Bear flag. 2 310. So yeah, that's a bear flag. It's losing the uptrend here, which is good. We want to see that for our puts. Trying to hold. So QQQ trying to hold here this morning low. Meta is still holding morning low. But yeah, I think if QQQ loses this morning low, it's gonna fill the gap to 369. mm, mm, mm. And SPY has a gap till 447. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're cracking. QQQ lost morning low. Now it's at, it had a lot of support here pre-market. 370 on pre-market. You have the entire pre-market move around 370. I'm 94% up on those QQQ boots. You know, on when QQQ was around 374, I was tempted to get boots here because the 50-minute was clearly rejection this 374 area, and that 374 area was, like I said, this gap here. So QQQ did a gap close reversal there. That's a clear, easy gap close reversal. Beautiful, beautiful rejection of 374 there. I want to see that gap get filled to 369. Meta, it's holding very good. It's down. It looks bearish, but it's holding. It's holding very good. And same with coin. Coin is holding 85. But I'm not gonna trade anything to the upside because the market is definitely bearish. Google definitely is the one that I see like it's very, very weak. Like that's what I saw first, the head and shoulder here. And yeah. We gotta like pay attention to 128 on Google because if loses 128, it has this gap, big gap here from earnings. I don't think it's gonna go there today. But we never know. SPY and the Q are bouncing from morning low. We wanna see it rejecting it. Yeah, this is not the best time to start trading. Be patient, start with a little bit, like only maybe one, two contracts. Like it depends how big is your account, but I will start trading with a very small size. Looks like the market is trying to bounce here. Mm -mm -mm. QQQ is definitely weaker than SPY because the SPY it's bouncing out of this market low, and if closes this 15-minute candle green, that's bullish. Everything looks pretty much the same with a head and shoulder holding morning low. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so we want to see SPY losing 448, the Q losing 370, and Meta we want to see it losing 308. Who? Nobody used 20 minutes trading. Why 15? Just because I like watching the 15 and the 30-minute candles. Never traded with the 10. It's kind of weird trading with 10 or 20. Nobody used those time frames. Most of the times like 1, 3, 5, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour in daily. But I never heard anybody using the 20-minute time frame. Okay, I like that reaction. Let's go lower. Yeah, no problem. Come on, let's just lose this morning low here. Mm, 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 mm. Oh yeah, the 20, if you're scalping, there's no way you can use the 20 or 10 minutes. Scalping, you gotta use like 3, 2, and 1. But scalping, the 10 and 20, it's extremely late. Minutes looking weak, which I like. Same with the Q, which I like. SPY, it's kind of like holding there. We want to see it finally losing the morning low. Mm-mm. Like, I think the market should fill the gap down that we made in the morning. Like, it should, but I don't know. I don't know because it's been so freaking choppy and weird that who knows what's gonna happen. This is looking bullish here on the Q. This indecision candle here or hammer, and then the next one is looking green. That's bullish. And most of the time when you have something like this is a change of direction and it's holding morning low. So it's looking kind of bullish there. Mm-mm-mm. QQQ's, I'm sorry, coin keeps bouncing out of 85. Yeah, this is bullish. I'm taking my profits on Meta and very small profit, but profit is profit, and I'm getting out of here. Like, this is like no way I'm gonna stay here trying to trade with this choppy market is a waste of time. Yeah, the market is too choppy. I don't think it's worth it trading anything like too much stress and putting money on the line for this. I'm getting out of here. And I'm not trading tomorrow. This market is definitely not worth my time. So, guys, I see you on Monday. Yeah, this is a waste of time. See you on Monday. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you on Monday.